Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to delete Instagram account on iOS and Android. So the process is same on Android and iPhone. So simply open the Instagram application on your iPhone or Android and then click on your Instagram profile or avatar and then click on three horizontal lines here, and then you can see the option for account center. If I click on three horizontal lines, you can see many options here, but click on account center and then click on personal detail. But as you can see, there is no any delete option on Instagram, so you need to go to and open account option and then click account ownership and control and then deactivation or deletion. Again click on your account, select account and then choose the option delete account and then click on continue. Now you can choose any of these reason, for example privacy concern, and then click on continue. Again click on continue and now you can put your password here and then click on continue. So my password is incorrect, but you just type your password here and on the next screen just click on delete account, then your Instagram account will be deleted. Thanks for watching.